behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to St. Louis. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your seat back and tray table in the full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items completely stowed underneath the seat in front of you. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted in flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your portable electronic device, and please make sure your carry-on items are stowed. Please advise the front and back doors will be open for ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure you and any children you're supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you're connecting to another Southwest flight, please check the monitors in the terminal for flight and gate information. For those of you who are traveling with us to Boston, all of our through passengers, we have about 50 of you on board. Please be sure to remain seated. We will have Jean-Ann, our flight attendant, come through the back and do a count of everybody on board. Once we complete the count, we'll make an announcement and then you'll be free to get up. But for now, if you are traveling with us to Boston, please remain seated. We've certainly enjoyed sharing part of your day with you today. We do know you have a choice when you fly. Thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome to St. Louis.